Hello, this is Paul Katzian, Lemonhead or committee chair, whichever way you view it, for Lemonade Day at Tumwa. I'm going to walk through the registration process. This video will be very similar to another one that doesn't have any commentary with it, but just runs a little bit slower. So if you have come to this video, it's because you might be having difficulty with registering yourself as a mentor. So again, we have mentors, we have learners, and at this point, you should be one of the mentors getting this set up for your student. If you've been sending a learner or one of your students that intends to have a lemonade stand directly to this site, that's where your first mistake is coming. So mentors, you start here and I'll share my screen with you so you can see just how it goes. You want to go to this address that's right up here, lemonadeday.org/Tumwa. You'll click register now and you enter all this information. Now it's going to recognize me, so some things will be different. The phone number is optional. You want to pay attention to that throughout the title, the phone number, down here, how did you hear about Lemonade Day? Those are all optional items. But if you have questions, here's my number, 641-799-9631. Okay. We do want to get the community right. Tumwa, Iowa. And for those of you that are in agency, we'll still put in 52501. Okay. Even though that might not be your personal zip code. And as I was saying earlier, this is where the mentor, parent, guardian logs in, okay? Always has to begin with that guardian, mentor, or parent. So if you've been sending your student here to log in and having problems with that, that's exactly why. Please do let us know, because we have 5 organizations involved. Please do let us know if you are homeschool, Cardinal School, Seton Catholic, Tumwa Christian, or Tumwa Community Schools right here. So I'm going to put Tumwa Community Schools. Okay. And group is optional, although you might want to give your specific teacher or grade in that space there. Next, this next one recognizes me. It says, oh, you've already registered. But if you've not, this is where you as the mentor will enter the email where you want to get notifications and then create your own password, accept these things, and then you're done. Oh, it's asking me to put that password in again. So at that point, you would normally move forward in the process. I'm going to actually go straight to my login page. The next page looks exactly the same for all of us, though. I've already registered my son, just as an example. If you see that some spaces are grayed out like this, watch what happens when I click on it. It gives me instructions. This learner must go online for their app to reflect this permission. Okay, so I have both a working learner and a non-working learner. This tells me that this learner, Henry, has not downloaded the app. Colin has, and we can find all of his information. Then over here, you can see, I can see his progress in viewing the videos. If you're wondering what to do next, look at that. You can click on what to do next, and it shows you that you need to enter the names of learners, first and last name. And I'm just going to walk this through with my commentary. Hope it doesn't bore you to death. Make sure you get an email address. You can use the same email address that you're using for yourself as a mentor. and then go to either the App Store or Google Play and download the Lemonade Day logo that is red in the background. Open the app, click on Add a Learner because it's brand new. You don't have anybody in there. Register. You'll want to make sure that you spell the name the same way you did when you registered them inside. Some names get shortened. If you typed out the full name, shortened version, doesn't matter as long as you do it the same in both places. So then obviously type in the student's first and last names, what it's asking for right here. And then your mentor code. So in the screen where I jump to log in, if you're a brand new mentor, parent, or guardian in this, it will generate a mentor code. Please, by all means, grab your smart device, take a picture of that screen and create, save your mentor code because it'll have to be entered there in order to register your learner. These screenshots that you're seeing now are, again, what your student, your learner will see once they've downloaded the app. So again, mentors begin here at lemonadeday.org, then enter your learner at lemonadeday.org, and it'll instruct you to have them download the app. These are the screens that the learner will see. Last one, they enter same thing, Ottumwa, Iowa 52501, and then they create their own username. What do they want to be called? How do they want to be recognized on the app? And this is where for us administratively, we will see those students in there. So it's usually helpful if you use something very close to your actual name. Don't get too creative with that. And then the password, it's easy. You choose a color and a symbol. So you could be a green ice cream cone. This is a mustard colored slice of pizza on top of a purple, I don't know what you call it, a stamp. That's how they choose their password, a color and a symbol next to a symbol and a color, and then hit done. Congratulations. And I'll just show you on my app what that looks like. Here we go. Those are the videos that you begin playing at that point. Hope that was helpful. Be sure to play it back as many times as you need and call my number if I can help you at all.